I regularly have clients who come into my office seeking to expunge a conviction or to clear their record. When they say clear their record, generally they're talking about removing an arrest record where they were arrested but not charged. Oftentimes when you're doing an FBI background check or applying for licensing that requires that, arrest will show up and it's embarrassing but also has very negative impacts. You can petition the court to seal arrest records so that they no longer become public record. However, you can ask for the courts to seal your arrest records so that they are not shown in most background checks. Now, when it comes to expungements, expungements are to remove actual convictions of crimes. Expungements are only given to misdemeanor cases. You apply with the court and appear before the court, explain why you would like an expungement, and most judges, after successfully completing probation and allowing some time to pass, will grant you an expungement of your criminal conviction. Now, as far as felony convictions, only certain felonies can be expunged. For a felony to be expunged, it must first be reduced to a misdemeanor, and then after it's reduced to a misdemeanor, can then be expunged. So there's many felonies that are not eligible. Most violent felonies are not eligible to be reduced to misdemeanors and therefore cannot be expunged. So certain misdemeanors can be reduced. You have to petition the court to first reduce the conviction to a misdemeanor, then afterwards they will expunge it for you. For felonies that cannot be reduced to a misdemeanor, the only way to clear those off of your record is to file and ask for a pardon from the governor. The impact of a criminal conviction can have huge effects upon your life. It becomes very difficult to get a job, to get licensing. Even getting into an apartment can be a problem when they run a background check and see that you have a criminal conviction. So hiring an attorney to assist you in expunging your record and removing those convictions from public record and from background checks can greatly improve your life in jobs, in housing, and in licensing. So a common misconception with an expungement is that it removes all records of your conviction. Your record will show that you were convicted of a felony, that it was reduced to a misdemeanor, and that that misdemeanor was expunged. On public records, it could be removed. However, anytime you're arrested by the police or the police run your record, they can see that. Also, with getting your arrest sealed, they don't show up in most records, but the FBI maintains everything about you, and if someone has high enough clearance, they can always see that you were arrested, that you were convicted. Also, certain requirements like gun restrictions, registering as a drug offender or registering as a sexual offender, those will not go away. You still will need to do those even though the case has been expunged. If you found this video helpful or have any questions, call Earl Carter and Associates and we can help you with whatever you need.